Hi! So far, I explained to you how to draw the current state VSM. Now, before moving on to how to draw the future state VSM, I want to tell you some principles to get a lean value stream. If you know the lean principles to follow, you will draw the future state more consciously. Principle 1. Do not overproduce. Produce at the takt time speed to avoid overproduction. Overproduction is the king of the 7 wastes. Principle 2. Create the flow where is possible. When the process workstations are far from each other, the material stagnation is natural. With closer workstations, it will be easier to have one-piece flow. Principle 3. Use the supermarket to control production. When it's not possible to move workstations closer, use a supermarket and pull system to control the inventory. Principle 4. Schedule only at one point. If scheduling occurs in multiple points, the information flow will be messy and the material flow accordingly. This scheduling point is named the pacemaker. Principle 5. Level the production mix. At the pacemaker, try to schedule the production mix at the shortest time interval you can. Distribute the production in the sequence ABC, ABC rather than AA, BB, CC, AA, BB, CC. Principle 6. Level the production volume. Release into production small and consistent increments of work. Principle 7. Develop the organization to avoid large batches of production. The best way to do that is by SMED events.